Have you ever seen these sights around you before? Huh, obviously you have. And obviously you won't do anything about it.
शादी का खाना?
ऑटो रिक्शाज,
घर का कचरा,
कॉलेज फेस्टिवल्स,
सैंडविच वाला, रेलवे स्टेशन, डोसा वाला, सिगरेट बट्स.
Here's what college students have to say about the issue.
See, mainly we're the youth, okay? So we're not supposed to throw garbage on the road because it's really harmful for the environment and it causes a lot of, like if you throw a polythene bag on the road, for example, it gets clogged. Like the manholes get clogged and it causes a bigger problem when there is right?
As a part of the youth of this country, I think one of the important common issues is littering on the streets and the roads. I feel that when you do that, not only do you destroy the aesthetic look of the whole place, you also clutter drainages, like drains and sewers and all, which just creates clogging problems and such. So I think that's one important issue and we shouldn't litter.
The conditions in our city right now is whenever we see a BMC truck coming up to pick garbage from the road, what do? They pick most of it, but then they drop some of it and they don't bother cleaning it up ever again. It's just kept there to rot. So then how does that result in affecting our environment? It worsens it so much because it keeps adding up, it keeps multiplying into a lot of garbage being left on the streets, which is polluting our city by a lot. So yeah, basically that's it.
Here's a glimpse of what happens at the railway station. What do you think he does next? How predictable. Shouldn't elders be setting a good example for the youngsters? Is that a dustbin? I don't think so.
क्लास में बहुत गंदा होता है. स्टूडेंट लोग सब गंदा करते हैं और जो डस्टबिन रखते हैं उसमें कचरा फेंकना चाहिए, वो फेंकते नहीं हैं, वो खाली खा के नीचे फेंक देते हैं. इसके लिए हम लोग को बहुत कचरा निकालने में बहुत तकलीफ होती है.
दिन में कितने लोग आते हैं यहाँ पे?
ये मैडम 500 से 600 आदमी आते हैं इधर पे.
अच्छा, और चाट वाट खाने के लिए?
हाँ, 4-5 खाने के लिए.
बोला है लोगों को डस्टबिन में डालने
हाँ, बोला है ना मैडम. तो उन लोग क्या बोलते मालूम है क्या? इधर नीचे फेंका तो क्या हो गया आपको? आपका काम है उठा के रखना है. आपके होटल के सामने गिर रहा है कचरा, ऐसा बोलते हो.
अच्छा, और आप दिन के अंत में सारा साफ करके?
हाँ, साफ करते मैडम.
अच्छा, और फिर अगले दिन फिर से खराब हो जाता है?
हाँ, फिर खराब कर देते मैडम.
फिर भी लोग समझते
नहीं समझते मैडम.
अच्छा, तो इस समस्या का हल क्या है आपके हिसाब से?
इस समस्या का हल मैडम आप ही कुछ करिए. आप ही कुछ करिए. हम लोग तो बोलने को बोल देते मैडम, कचरे के डब्बे में डालिए कचरा, पर पब्लिक नहीं समझती. बोलते आपके होटल के सामने नाश्ता करे तो आपके इधर ही फेंकेंगे, ऐसा बोलते हैं.
Now that we know the causes of the issue, let's look at the solutions.
Well, I think most of the Mumbaiites travel in trains or buses every day. So there should be more dustbins installed in these places.
Instead of throwing the wrappers on the road, you can keep it in your pockets and bags and then ghar jaake fek do.
The college students should get in touch with the media to spread awareness about littering on the roads.
Adequate number of dustbins should be provided inside and outside college festivals. Okay, one must make sure that the litter bags are safely tied so that while transportation, the loose papers do not fall out and does not increase the litter. Yeah, when going shopping, you can carry your own cloth bag instead of wasting all the, plastic bags and stuff.
There should be, campaigns or posters run about how you shouldn't throw garbage.
As college students, the least we can do is not litter on our own campus.
Thank you for watching, and remember, don't litter.